The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado is located near Waukesha Lake, or 15 miles northwest of Waukesha, moving southwest at 35 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation for Waukesha. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Johnson Creek, Concord, and Uxonia. This includes the following highways: Interstate 94 between mile markers 151 and 267. Precautionary preparedness actions. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult